You asked how to buy shares of Accentis NV. Accentis NV operates in industrial precision engineering and is listed on Euronext under the ticker ACCB.BR, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you usually must verify your account with an identity document and then add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ACCB.BR to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Accentis NV to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm the listing. Make sure the name, exchange Euronext, and ticker ACCB.BR all match before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, and carefully review the order details. Confirm the order to execute. Orders placed when the market is closed will queue until the market opens, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is executed. A link to eToro is in the description for reference if you want to explore the platform used in this walkthrough.